everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can create and display countdown timer widget on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the pixel before creating the widget. Once you have installed it, click the add notification button. You will see different type of social proof notifications and widgets here. Navigate to widgets and go to call to action. As you can see, we have two design templates available for countdown timers. You can choose whichever you like. We'll go with the second one. Click on See Designs and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. Enter the name that is easy to remember. And in URL, you have to mention the website URL where you want to display the timer. Once you have filled in this information, click on Create and Customize. And you will be redirected to customization page. Here, we have two sections. The first one is Design. Here, we have live preview screen where you can see how your widget will look like on your website. You can also check how it will look in mobile phone and desktop screen. Then on the right side, we have three main configuration options. In design, you can customize timer text, icon, position, animation, borders, colors and more. Then we have this really important option available, which is set countdown timer. By default, it is turned on and 24-hour timer is already set here. As you can see, we have two options here. The first one is fixed countdown and the second one is evergreen countdown. You must have a question like when I should use these options. What are the use cases? Let's say that you are running some discount offer which will end on specific date. Let's assume that the offer will end on 1st April 2022. So what we will do here is we will set the date and time in fixed countdown. So now the countdown timer will be displayed to visitor until the mentioned date and time. Every visitor will see remaining time duration for the offer. This will trigger FOMO and influence them to take buy action. Now let's take the second case. Let's say that you want to create urgency by showing timer to every new visitor. In this case, what you can do is you can enable the evergreen countdown and set the days, hours, minute and seconds. With evergreen countdown, you can use scarcity and personalized countdown timer for every new visitor to increase your sales. Once you set the timing, every new visitor will see the timer for the mentioned time and date. You can also set the action after the countdown gets completed. You can either hide the timer or restart it after the set time. That is all about the design section. Now, if you want to redirect your users to desired pages, then you can make your timer clickable and add CTA button. Then we have data and timing configuration. This one is really important. Here we have two different settings available. In other settings, you can choose whether you want to skip seen widgets to same visitors during a specific period of time. We recommend you to keep this on, as your visitors might get annoyed looking at the same timer again and again. Next one up is behavior rule. Let's say if you are running a limited time offer and you want to display timer in that time period only, then what you can do is add start and expiry date and add specific days of the week. And it will automatically be activated on specified start date and will get deactivated on expiry date. We also have an option to set trigger movements based on exit intent, time based intent, and scroll based intent. You can set the time duration and scroll after which you want the timer widget to be displayed to the visitor. You can use hide rule if you want to hide widget after a specific time. You can also set a countdown timer to create urgency. That is all about the design section. Once you are done with it, click on Save button. Now click on Continue button to move to the next section, that is Display. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display widget, like display it on all pages or specific pages by adding different display conditions. If you want to display same widget on multiple websites, you just have to add multiple website URL here. You can choose whether you want to display widget to returning or new visitors and target the specific audience by using segmentation options like UTM, cookie name, and more. Once you have customized both these sections, your widget is ready to go live. Simply click on Finish button and turn the widget on. Here, now let's check it on your website. As you can see, the widget is live on your website. So that's how you can create a countdown timer widget. If you still face any queries while creating countdown timer widget, connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.